Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday was a significant day for our community, GCSE Results Day. I had the privilege of visiting all 4 of our comprehensive schools, and I'm incredibly proud of our young people. To every student who received their results, whether you're celebrating or feeling disappointed, I want you to hear this message clearly. Your worth is not defined by these grades. These pieces of paper are just one moment in your incredible journey. I saw remarkable resilience yesterday, students who achieved outstanding results and those who didn't quite meet their expectations. But what really struck me the most was their spirit and determination. Remember, there are always alternative paths to choose. Apprenticeships, vocational training, different educational routes. Your potential is truly limitless. Congratulations and well done to you all. Now, I'm excited to share something that might interest our young residents. Our street-based youth team will be hosting a fantastic skate and scooter competition at Merthyr Skate Park on August the 26th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. The competition is open to anyone aged 11 and over. There are fantastic prizes to be won. It's not just about competition, it's about community, skill and having fun. I look forward to seeing you all skate enthusiasts there. Please head over to our street-based youth team's Facebook page for all the information, consent forms and terms and conditions. Finally, it was truly wonderful to witness the Glebeland site being utilised for Merthyr Artisan Market. It brought a vibrant atmosphere to the community, and I look forward to seeing more events like this hosted on the site in the near future. That's all from me for this week. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the bank holiday. Diolch.